Hey there, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of electronics and gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we've got something special for you. The SANSUI SG24X5 24-inch 165Hz gaming monitor.
Let's kick things off with a quick overview of this gaming monitor.
It's a 24-inch full HD IPS display with a blazing fast 165Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time. But that's just the beginning.
Show the monitor from different angles and display its sleek design.
As you can see, the monitor boasts a sleek and minimalist design.
It's perfect for gamers and anyone looking to enhance their viewing experience.
The monitor supports adaptive sync technology for tear-free gaming.
It comes with DP and HDMI ports, including a 1.5 meters HDMI cable.
The 110% sRGB color accuracy ensures stunning visuals.
You can adjust the tilt from -5 degrees to 15 degrees for a comfortable viewing angle.
VESA mount compatibility allows for versatile placement options.
Now, let's talk about performance. With a 165Hz refresh rate, your gaming experience will be smoother than ever. No more lag or blur. Plus, the 1 millisecond response time means lightning-fast reactions in FPS games. Comfort is essential during those long gaming sessions.
This monitor offers an ergonomic design with adjustable tilt and a wide viewing angle, so you can find your sweet spot. It's also VESA mount compatible, which means you can easily mount it on a wall or arm for a customized setup. Worried about reliability? Don't be.
SANSUI provides a 30-day money-back guarantee and free replacement warranty, plus lifetime technical support.
That's peace of mind right there. The SANSUI SG24X5 is priced at just $88.99, making it an absolute steal for the features it offers.
It's available on Amazon with free delivery options. Enhance your gaming setup by adding some accessories.
Consider getting a quality display cable like the IVANKY VESA certified DisplayPort cable or a reliable HDMI cable. These will ensure you get the best performance from your new monitor. In conclusion, the SANSUI SG24X5 24-inch 165Hz gaming monitor is a fantastic choice for gamers and anyone looking for a high-performance display without breaking the bank.
Its impressive specs, ergonomic design, and affordability make it a top pick in its category.
That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. And remember, at Product Critique, we're here to help you make the right tech choices.
Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and tech tips.
See you in the next one.